What's up, Court Crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another vlog. So basically, I'm doing another vlog because I asked you guys in a poll, and if you're not checking like my community posts, then definitely check them because I post almost every day. Like, I'm always talking. So if you're not following me, if you're not like checking the community tab, definitely do that. But I put up a poll and I was like, what is your favorite type of video from me? And a lot of y'all was like, well, it was the second most. So number one was obviously wig reviews, which I'm gonna bring that to y'all regardless. But the second two was testing new makeup and vlogs. And I was surprised that vlogs even got that many like votes, because I was like, what, vlogs? But so that's why I'm vlogging today. This vlog will be a number of days though, so don't be alarmed if you see me in the next few clips. I'm in another, it's a whole nother day. I'm doing in a whole nother outfit like per. But anyway, today is I'm going to go to clean out my car, just because it's giving dusty. Like, the garage should not be giving dusty, so I'm gonna go vacuum her out. And then, well, first I'm going to Starbucks, period. Like, I need breakfast, and I'm trying to be healthier, so I think I'm gonna get their little egg bites or whatever. I kind of want to get like the avocado, a bagel, but I only want to eat half of the bagel, and then I want the little egg whites and then something to drink. That sounds like a lot of money. Ugh, we'll see. But anyway, and then after I go to Starbucks, I need to go clean up my car. I just want to vacuum it, and I want to get like some wipes, but not from like the car wash place. I would have actually washed my car too, but it rained yesterday, so I don't need to do that anymore. And then I need to go to the Container Store because I'm trying to revamp this closet of mine. It's just giving old and dusty, so I need to like get some new containers to give it more life. I cleaned out my makeup stash, and literally, like, y'all, I had so much like old makeup. Not old makeup, it wasn't even like really old makeup. Like, a lot of the stuff that I'm giving her, I literally like used it once, but makeup that I don't use at all anymore. Like, it's dumb for me to keep these old palettes. I had so much like palettes that I don't use. Like, you guys know me, I literally stay with a brown eyeshadow look. Like, it's crazy. So it was no point in me having these these colorful eyeshadow palettes, things that I use just to like, or things that I tried for a video and then I don't really use it. Like that one size powder, trash. I mean, not trash, it's trash to me, but like it could work on other people. Like, I've seen so many positive reviews. So yeah. And my friend actually takes like clients, like she's a makeup artist, so I will have her link down below in case you guys are in the DMV area and want a makeup artist like her. But yeah, so I'm giving her a lot of my makeup that I literally don't use. So yeah, I think that's the plan for today. Also wanted to film. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, but hopefully I can. I'm actually waiting for a package, so hopefully it comes in. I've been waiting on packages mad long. Like, I'm still waiting on the wig. Like, I'm still waiting on a lot of stuff. So yeah, why is my battery dying when I charged it before I got in the car? Anyway, I will check in with you guys later. What's up, y'all? I don't have any like lipstick on, so it's kind of weird. But I just want to check in because I didn't check in when I actually dropped off all that makeup to my friend. I'm still going to leave her information down below in case you are in need of a makeup artist. I think after I finish filming this video, I'm actually going to probably get some dinner. I am really craving Chick-fil-A, but that's not the healthiest, so I'm probably gonna go to Chick-fil-A and get a salad. I love their Southwest salad, and then finish up Bridgerton. I don't know if you guys watch Bridgerton. I actually could watch that right now. Everyone has finished it so freaking fast, but it's taking me a while to get through it. I don't know. I'm gonna check in with you guys tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon when I go to that fitness class. Hopefully I can film. Fingers crossed. I really hope I can, but if not, then we'll see. But yeah, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of this vlog. So right now, I think I told you guys this yesterday, but right but I'm going to this intro fitness class today. I'm super excited because I found this gym on Twitter. Actually, they were like advertising and talking about the space and everything, and I was like, oh, okay. The last trainer that I had, I did lose weight with her. I lost like a lot of weight with her. Not a lot, well, a lot of weight, considering that I was just doing her exercising and not really following the meal plan that she provided. I'm horrible, I know, but this one is in person, and that's what I felt like I was missing from my trainer, is that I really do feel like I'll do better with just someone like guiding me in person. I'm rambling, so I will check in with you guys when I get to the gym. Hopefully they let me film. All right, y'all, I'm lost. Really tried to call them too. I tried to call them and be like, where is y'all at? But ain't nobody pick up, so I'm gonna call them again. But child, they did not answer again. Maybe it's because I'm calling from a different phone number. Ooh, oh, here they are.
Outside.
Okay.
And like a black hoodie and workout attire.
Okay, so you said take a left out of the parking lot and then make a right.
No, left, and then your very first left.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. All right, you're welcome.
Bye-bye. I don't know what she's talking about. She said left, but like, girl, what? But okay. I see what she, oh, I see. Okay. I really do see. I see it now. Okay, y'all, I got here. Now, okay, I see. Now, where am I supposed to park the chat?
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus. Want you to focus. Gotta keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. But she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus. Want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love.
Y'all, that was kind of hectic. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, I just finished the class. It was pretty good. I liked it. Their pricing is pretty weird. It's on the expensive side, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, let me get some hand sanitizer. It's pretty expensive. They do have like drop-in classes, and since it's kind of far out, like honestly, I have to be realistic with myself and if I would even come out here that many times. So I think I actually am gonna do like the drop-in class option where it's like $15 a class, and probably just try to come once a week just because it's far, and then during the week I can just get cardio in. What's up, y'all? I did not film me making the stuffed peppers. I'm so sorry. This is gonna be a short vlog, but I'll make it up for you because look what came in the mail. Actually, you probably don't even know what it is, but I picked up another headband wig, and since it came, I was like, let me do a little unboxing. So I ordered it from Amazon. I saw a wig review on it, and it's supposed to be a 150 density, 16-inch, and it's just a straight human hair wig. It came in like regular Amazon packaging, this little bag. Then we have like this little like reusable bag that says YSDIDWIGS, 100% human hair. And then inside this bag it comes with the wig, which is right here, and then it also comes with 2 headbands. They are high-key ugly, but I will show you guys just for funsies. This is kind of cute, but then they put this on it, so it's ugly. And this one, like, honestly, even with my other headband wig, I usually just go and wear it with the given headband. Let's take this out. Comes in the little hairnet. Cute, cute, cute. Off the bat, this is so thin. I don't know what they talking about, 150. And it comes with this just to like keep the shape of the wig. This is so thin. Alright, let's just try it on. Okay. It's really tight. So I don't think this is big head friendly, like at all. Like at all. It's kind of weird, and I don't know how to explain it because, like, obviously it's a headband wig, but I feel like the way it's constructed, I don't know if you guys can see, but like I feel like my other headband wig, it wasn't as obvious as that, like this is where the track is. I don't know, maybe they started the track like in my Wig Encounters wig, I feel like they maybe started the track underneath the headband, so it wasn't as visible that like this is not my hair. But I feel like there's kind of like a hump right here, and it shouldn't be, but it's because of the way the track was laid. But I think that this one is, and again it's like really thin, like this is all the hair to the front. This is all the hair to one side. Like that's how much hair. I would definitely still wear it because like it's easy to use. But I don't think, it's not my favorite wig. Yeah, review over. I mean, I'm gonna wear it to like the gym and stuff. And you might see it in vlogs, but like no. I would not recommend it. I feel like it makes my head look weird. Yeah, like if this was just like flatter. It's the way the wig was construed, like was made. But I don't know if you can like tell on camera. But yeah, this might be the end of this vlog. Sorry that it was kind of not that exciting, but sometimes life be like that, you know. But yeah, that's it. I wish I had more to say about this wig, but it's just not it. I'm so sorry about it. It's not it. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you like vlogs or would like to see more, or if you just enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Join the Court Crew family by subscribing down below, turn on your post notifications. Like, baby. You don't want to miss an upload, so do that. and I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be Monday. I don't think I said it in a video, but my upload schedule is now Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If you're not checking out my community tab, then definitely do that, because I be posting almost every day on there. Like, I be posting polls, I be posting telling you guys what's videos coming next, and so forth and so forth. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.